Now let us see next example in three-dimensional geometry. If the angle between two vectors a bar and b bar having direction ratios 1 to 1 and 1 3k1 is pi by 4, find k. So direction ratios of two vectors are given and angle between them is pi by 4. In the direction ratios, one of the unknowns k is there. We have to find its value. And to find value of one unknown, we have to form an equation. Because by solving one equation, we can find value of one unknown. To form such equation, condition is given that angle between two vectors is given. Here angle between two vectors pi by 4 radians, that is 45 degree, and 45 degree it lies in between 0 and 90. It means that pi by 4 is an acute angle. Now direction ratios of two vectors we shall denote for a bar a1 b1 c1. So a1 1 b1 2 c1 1. For another vector b bar, the direction ratios we shall denote by a2 b2 c2. b2 is unknown, contains k. Here theta pi by 4, acute angle. When direction ratios of two lines or two vectors are known, angle between them is given by formula cos theta equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 divided by under root a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into under root a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Now as theta is acute angle, means theta lies in first quadrant, and in first quadrant all the trigonometric ratios are positive. So cos theta also positive. As cos theta is positive, we shall write this expression in mod sign. Now put value of theta pi by 4. Numerator is sum of product of corresponding direction ratios of two lines. 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3k plus 1 into 1 divided by under root. Under radical sign, sum of squares of direction ratios for first vector. 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square under root. In second vector, under radical sign, sum of squares of direction ratios for second vector. 1 square plus 3k whole square plus 1 square. Pi by 4 radians, that is 45 degree. It is standard angle. And we know values of all the trigonometric ratios for this angle. Cos 45, 1 by root equal to mod. Collect the numbers 1 plus 1, 2 plus 6k divided by under root 4 plus 2, 6 under root 9k square plus 2. We have to find value of unknown k. In the equation, mod sign is present. Similarly, under root, radical sign is also present. So to eliminate radical sign as well as mod sign, we shall square the equation. 1 square 1, root 2 square 2. Square numerator. In denominator, both the factors are under radical sign. If we square, radical sign gets eliminated. Now this factor in denominator which is present on RHS, we shall write to LHS. So we have to write that in numerator. This upon 2 as it is. Now write down expansion of 2 plus 6k whole square. 2 square 4 plus 2 into 2 into 6k. 4 6 are 24. So 24k plus 6k whole square, that is 36k square. Here 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Open the bracket on LHS. 3 nines are 27. 3 twos are 6. RHS no change. Rearrange the terms. Collect all the terms to one side. So 27k square minus 36k square. First we have collected terms containing k square. Then collect term containing k minus 24k. Collect the numbers plus 6 minus 4. As we have collected all the terms to the left hand side, what remains on right hand side is 0. Simplify. Minus 9k square minus 24k plus 2 equal to 0. For convenience, we shall make coefficient of k square as positive. So multiply by negative sign or by minus 1. So sign of each term changes. 9k square plus 24k minus 2 equal to 0. 0 neither positive nor negative. Now observe this quadratic equation, because degree of equation is 2, quadratic equation. But we cannot solve this quadratic equation by factorization method. So here we have to use formula method. For quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. X is given by minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here instead of x, k is there. So k equal to minus b is 24 here plus or minus under root 24 square 576 minus 4 into a 9 c minus 2 divided by 2 a is 9 minus 24 plus or minus under root. So after simplification we get here 648 divided by 18 minus 24 plus or minus 648, that is 324 into 2. 324 perfect square. It is square of 18. Still we can simplify it further. In numerator as well as denominator we can take 6 common. Then 6 gets cancelled. Minus 4 plus or minus 3 root 2 divided by 3. Due to plus or minus sign, we get two values of k. Now let us see next example. Show that vector AB bar perpendicular to CD bar, where coordinates of points are given. Point A coordinates 3, 4, -2. Three coordinates are given, means point lies in space. B 1, -1, 2. C 0, 3, 2. And point D 3, 5, 6. So here coordinates of 4 points in space are given, and we have to show that AB bar perpendicular to CD bar. Now this example also we can solve by two methods, by using vector method as well as by using direction ratios. Now first we shall solve it by using direction ratios. So here we have to show that AB bar perpendicular to CD bar. So we shall find direction ratios for AB as well as CD. Now we know if coordinates of 2 points are known, then direction ratios, they are difference of corresponding coordinates of 2 points. Now direction ratios of AB. Difference between corresponding coordinates 1, -3, -1, -4, 2, minus of -2. Simplify. -2, -5, 4. So these are the direction ratios of AB. Now find direction ratios of CD. Coordinates of C, coordinates of D are known to us. Find difference of corresponding coordinates. So 3 - 0, 5 - 3, 6 - 2, 3, 2, 4. So direction ratios for AB we shall denote by A1, B1, C1. For line CD, direction ratios A2, 3, B2, 2, C2, 4. We have to show that angle between AB bar and CD bar 90, because we have to show AB bar perpendicular to CD bar. If we know direction ratios of two lines, then we can find angle between them by using formula. But here we have to show that they are perpendicular to each other. For two lines or two vectors, if sum of product of direction ratios is 0, then those two vectors are perpendicular. So let us find sum of product of direction ratios, that is A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2, -2 into 3 plus -5 into 2 plus 4 into 4. Simplify. -6 -10 plus 16. 16 minus 16, 0. As sum of product of direction ratios equal to 0, these two lines or two vectors are perpendicular. So AB bar perpendicular to CD bar, and that is what we have to show.